Okay, so in today's video we are going to talk about HTML colors. How can we set a color on a web page? Well, here we are on the W3 Schools website, and so let's look at the first example, right? How can we achieve this? Right? How did they set the color for each of these div elements, right? So let's click on try it yourself, and here we go. And so how could they set the color for these here they are not divs, they are h1s, as we can see. So they are headings, okay? And so how did they set the background color for these? Because as we can see here, we have tomato, orange, blue, green, and so on and so forth. We've got 8 colors, right? Well, if we look here in the code, we can see that the style attribute equals a background color, and the background color is noted here as a name. As we can see, or we were going to have a look afterwards, there are a few possibilities to set a color with HTML. One of them is using names, and there are 140 names defined in the HTML language. For other colors or gradients, I mean in between, there are other techniques. So of course we have more than 140 colors in HTML. We have as many as your monitor or the user's monitor can support, like a few million or billion nuances. Now so here is the text. So these are h1s, this is the background color and the color names. So as we can see, it's pretty easy to set a color with HTML. Now here, if we go back here, as we can see here, HTML supports 140 standard color names. So if we want, we can use these, but if we want colors or nuances that are in between, as I said, a monitor can display probably some 100 millions or billions, a few billion colors or nuances. So how can we achieve that? Well, I'm not sure whether they have here an example. Apparently they don't. So here, color values. So as we know, a color on a monitor is made up of 3 different pixels: a red pixel, a green, and a blue. So this is why it's called RGB values, because by setting the value of each pixel you get a color, and these 3 colors combine and you have the color. So you can set a value between 0 and 255, and yeah, this is how you get it. The other one is using hexadecimal values. It's a different way, but it's actually the same, or RGBA, where A is transparency. But these are more advanced. I mean, for now we could concentrate on RGB, and I guess that if we click here, yeah, we are going to see how can we set background color colon RGB. It looks like a function, and yeah, here we've got 255, 99 and 71, and by using that we got this color. You can change this, you can experiment with this to see what other colors you can get, but for today that's enough for one video, and so on and so forth. And there you have also a video on YouTube about this topic. If you want to check it, this is the video for today. So have a nice day. Bye.